Hey guys, Technomentary here with a video for you guys to show you guys how to buy the cheapest phones on Amazon.com. And in this video, we're going to talk about, some of the good listing and buyers that you should buy from and some of the ones that you do want to avoid. So with Amazon, it allows a lot of third parties to sell iPhones and other electronics or anything in general, but there are different sellers that have different ratings that we're going to take a look at to tell you which one might be a good one to buy from, which one is bad to buy from. So I buy a lot of iPhones and other smartphones from Amazon, and generally I use these tips and tricks to kind of find the right one to buy so that I don't have to return it or find out, it's a bad phone or, a bad item I bought. So this should work for any kind of items that you buy. So for iPhones, we're going to simply go to Amazon.com. Once you're at Amazon.com, go to the side navigation, and then you're going to look for electronics here. If you click on electronics, you'll see more options. You're going to go click on cell phones and accessories. Once you're in cell phone accessories, you'll start seeing some of the featured categories if you're looking for cases, accessories, and then the cell phone one. So we're going to go click on cell phone. Once you click on cell phone, you want to look for the ones that said recommended for you or top rated. These are the ones that you want to look at because they're good stuff, and then also the bestseller as one. So once you're here, you want to look at to see what you're looking to get. So we're going to take a look at the best sellers here. So simply we see right now, iPhone 7 unlocked version are under $170 here. You have XRs that are going for 428, and then iPhone 8, iPhone 7, and iPhone 7 here. This one's a little cheap. As you notice, this one's a little cheaper than the other one over here. So sometimes you have to browse around and look at the different prices to get the best deal. So we're gonna go ahead and click on the iPhone XR here. So once you click on it, now it'll give you detail of the full listing. So one thing you'll want to note is that this iPhone here, they have different colors here that you can select, and then the different storage sizes. If you're looking for a bigger storage, you want to select that, and then the color that you want. Also to note that you'll see this one is actually fully unlocked, so that means that it will work on most carriers that are GSM or CDMA, so you don't have to worry about that. Other thing to note is there's this, these phones that are known as Amazon renewed. So these are kind of Amazon use certified, I would call it. And what it does is allows, it's a good option to buy from it because most likely this product will look like new, and I have bought it some that if you look at my other videos you'll see they look pretty much new condition phones, and they're also backed by a 90-day Amazon kind of guarantee. So if the product has any issues or if you don't really like it, you can simply return it. Also look at all the details that this phone has, what fully unlocked means and what carriers is compatible with and the items that you're going to get. And most phones will be above 80% in terms of battery health. I find most of them I get are usually 90 plus, which is good because Apple recommends changing them at anything below 80%. Also, you'll note that in this listing that this one is selling for, there's a seller that usually sells it to you, and to know what sellers you're buying from is simply listed here. It says ships from and sold by this by SPRY seller here, and then you also have this option to add a accidental protection plan if you're looking to do that as well, and then quantities up here, and then they tell you about free shipping and how long it will take. Also, you'll start to notice that if you go down here, there's a bunch of other sellers that are selling as well. So there's 14 other sellers as well, so you want to click on that here, and then once you click on it, you can browse through kind of what the sellers, who the sellers are and their ratings and how much they have sold. So this is sometimes good to check because some sellers will have a better rating than other ones, and you usually want to buy from those as well. So the one that has the buy button here is this one, coming down at number 4, but there's also other sellers as well. So usually look for a seller with a lot of positive ratings. That will definitely help you because they have more chances of giving you a better phone. Usually I avoid sellers with lower rating. As you can see, this one must be a new seller, might be a great seller, but his feedback is 65%, so I would avoid them. And then if I look around, you'll see the prices are going up as well here. You want select whenever you're selecting this, you can also click on lowest for each if you don't care about the carrier. If you don't care about the color, you can always select the lowest for each. Same thing, storage. You can select these options to get the lowest. And once you're ready to buy, you simply want to hit add to cart, and that's how you would find kind of the best way to kind of get down to whatever you're looking for and make sure you're getting a good phone. Because sometimes I've seen the buy button here might be selling from a seller that is new or doesn't have much ratings, and you don't want to buy from that because those phones can turn out to be bad and then you might have to return it. So that's a good listing here right now. Also, check out the link in the description. We'll link you guys to the discounted iPhones on Amazon if you're looking to buy an iPhone. Also, you can find other phones such as Samsung, these blue ones that are also available for you. So that's how you go about finding it. And then there's also other phones here. As you can see, the iPhone 7 right now here, as you can see, you can get one for 150, under $150, and then iPhone 8 under around 290 or so. iPhone XRs here. So there's multiple listings. So I suggest whenever you go to this page, you can simply do feature or low to high. You can also do that option and start looking and browsing around here. That's another good option to kind of look at. So those are kind of the top tips for you guys that I wanted to share you guys. Whenever you're buying iPhone on Amazon, and I find buying iPhone Amazon on eBay on Amazon is excellent. So also eBay as well, because you're getting some of the phones that might be used but in excellent condition, almost for one fourth, one fifth the original price you pay in store. So check out Amazon for the phones, and also other videos that we did. So thanks for watching, guys, and if this video was helpful, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll be doing more unboxing reviews from the phones we buy from Amazon for you guys.